Boy Bink here. I'm back for another video. Today I'll walk you through how to resize windows that cannot reside in the Windows 10. This step is very easy. You go to any browser. I'll put the link in the description. You go to digital tiles. You need to click here to download it. You see, after download it, click on it and unzip that. Let's go to unzip that, unzip it here, close, unzip it here. See, after unzip it, you have folder here. Sorry. Click here, resize. You click on the Resize enable running.exe key. Click on it. You will see what will appear here. You see, will appear here that you can resize any app or any game that you cannot resize without that program. And this video for today, I hope helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time, guys. Bye bye.